Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter, addition and subtraction, which is in the page number 26 of your maths book. Okay. Today we will learn how to add 5 and 6 digit numbers, and we will also discuss exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Okay. So students, let's start. Look at this example. Add 5468 and 4321. So look at this number. The number which are added are called addends. So jibu number ami add koru, he number burok addends buli koa hoy. So yat 4321 aru 5468 hoise addends. Okay. The answer that we get on adding two numbers is called the sum. Aru ei number keita add kori ami jitu total number pao, he number tuk sum buli koa hoy. Okay. So yet 9789 is the sum. Okay. Now we will learn the properties of addition. Okay. Number can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. So look at this example. 4512 plus 3224 equal to 7736. And here 3224 plus 4512 equal to 7736, right? So the total of these numbers will always be the same even we change the order. Yat a number to first dot likhise aru a number to second dot, right? Aru yat a number to first dot likhise aru a number to second dot. So ami number bur jeneko order te nilikhu kyo hyotor total ba sum hodai ekei thakibo. When one is added to a number, the sum is the number after successor. So jetia ami kunuba eta number logot 1 add koru, tetia ami he number to successor to pao. Okay? Look at here. 1 plus 96 equal to 97. So 96 or logot 1 add korile ami 97 pao, right? Which is the successor of 96. Okay? Now look at here. 234 plus 1 equal to 235. So 234 logot 1 add korile ami 235 pao. Jitu 234 or successor hoy. Okay? So ami ene koi number buror logot 1 add kori goi thakile ami he number buror successor bur pai goi thakim. Okay? When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Ami jetia eta number logot 0 add koru ami he number to ei pao. Okay? Look at here. 47 plus 0 equal to 47. 321 plus 0 equal to 321. 3124 plus 0 equal to 3124. Okay. Now we will learn how to add 5-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. Look at this example. Add 51,253 and 25,326. So let's see the solution. Step 1. Put the numbers in the column correctly. So put the numbers correctly according to their places. Okay. Step 2. Add the ones. So add the digits which are in the ones place. Okay. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Step 3. Add the tens. So now we have to add the digits which are in the tens place. Okay. So 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Step 4. Add the hundreds. So now we have to add the digits which are in the hundreds place. Okay. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Step 5. Add the thousands. We have to add the digits in the thousands place. Okay. So 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Step 6. Add the 10,000s. So now we have to add the digits which are in the 10,000s place. Okay. So 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So this is how we have to add the 5-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. And always remember that we have to go from the right to left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s in this way. Okay. So always remember that thing. So students, now we will learn how to add the numbers with regrouping. Okay. So look at here. First of all, we have to go to the ones place. Okay. Now add this. 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Right. So put here 1 ones and carry 1 tens to the tens column. Okay. Now add this. 1 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 7. Right. 7 tens. Okay. Now go to the hundreds place. Add this. 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Right. So put here 0, 0 hundreds and carry 1000s to the thousands column. Okay. Now add this. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 thousands. Okay. Now go to the 10,000s place and add this. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 10,000s. Okay. So we get the number 99,071. Now we will learn how to find the missing digit. Okay. So students, look at here. You can see some digits are missing, right? And we have to find it out. Okay. So students, first of all, we have to go to the ones place. Okay. So here the digits of the ones place 3, 5 and one digit is missing here. You can see. And their sum is 9, right? So we have to find this missing digit. Okay. So first of all, add these digits. 3 plus 5 equal to 8, right? So students, how much do you need to get 9? 8 or logot aru kiman plus korile ami 9 pam. Obviously, it is 1, right? So write here 1. 3 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 9. Okay? Now go to the tens place. The digits of the tens place are 6, 6 and 1 digit is missing here, right? So just add these digits. So 6 plus 6 equal to 12, right? Aru amar sum ase 4. So 4 ke 12 to bigger hoy, right? So itu 4 hobo nware. Obviously itu double digit thaka kiba eta number hobo, right? So ami itu sabo lagibo je 12 or pasot double digit thaka kuntu number or ones or place ot 4 ase. Okay? So it is 14. Okay? So 12 or logot aru kiman plus korile 14 hobo. It is 2, right? So write here 2. So 2 plus 6 equal to 14. Okay? So this is 4 and carry 100 to the hundreds place. Okay? Now see the digits of hundreds place. 6, 4, 1 and 1 digit is missing. So first of all, add these digits. 1 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 11, right? And the sum is 5. So your sum 5 hobo nware. Obviously itu double digit hobo lagibo. So 11 or pasot kuntu number or right side 5 ase hetu check koribo lagibo. Okay? So it will be 15. Okay? So 11 or logot aru kiman add korile 15 pam ami. So 11 or logot aru 4 add korile ami 15 pam. Okay? So write here 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 15. This is 5 and carry 1 to the thousands place. Okay? So the digits of the thousands place are 1, 6, 7 and 1 digit is missing. So add the digits. 1 plus 6 plus 7 equal to 14. Okay? And the sum is 9. So ami itu sabo lagibo je 14 or pasot kuntu number or right side 9 ase. Okay? So it is 19. Right? So 14 or logot aru kiman add korile ami 19 pam. 14 or logot aru 5 add korile ami 19 pam. Right? So write here 5. So 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 19, right? So this is 9 and carry 1 to the 10,000s place, okay? So 1 plus 6 equal to 7. This is 7. So this is the way we have to follow to find out the missing digits, okay? Students, now look at here, estimating the sum. Rounding off the numbers to estimate their sum. So ami yate rounding off kenekoi kore ami hetu hikim, okay? So look at this example. Find the estimated sum as well as the exact sum of 4,385 and 5,673. Let us estimate the numbers by rounding off to the nearest 1,000 as they are 4-digit number. So yar agote kitaman kotha tumaloke jani thua. Jetia dutakoi digit thake tetia ami nearest 10 round off koru. Aru jetia tinitakoi digit thake tetia ami nearest 100 round off koru. Aru jetia 4takoi digit thake tetia ami nearest 1000 round off korim. Okay? Yate 4takoi digit ase number buror gotike ami yate nearest 1000 round off korim. Okay? So students, look at here. These numbers are added. So we get 10,058, right? Now we will estimate the sum of these numbers by rounding off. Okay? So students, look at here. First of all, we will round off this number 4,385. Okay? As we have to round off to the nearest 1,000, so 8,000 or place to bad di baki number to ami check korim. Okay? So yet 4385 আছে, right? So thousandsৰ প্লেচত আমাৰ 4 আছে, so এই 4ক বাদ দি বাকি নাম্বাৰটো চোৱা 385 আছে, right? So যদি এই নাম্বাৰটো 500তকৈ স্মল হয়, thousandsৰ প্লেচত থকা ডিজিটটো সেমি থাকিব, এটো চেঞ্জ নহয়। Look at here, এটো 4 আছে আৰু বাকি প্লেস কেটাত 0 আহি যাব এনেকৈ, okay? So this is 4000. So এই নাম্বাৰটো আমি round off কৰি দিলো, okay? Now come to this number 5673. So একে ধৰণে যেহেতু আমি nearest 1000 round off কৰিম, গতিকে thousandsৰ প্লেসটো বাদ দি বাকি নাম্বাৰটো চেক কৰিম, okay? So ইয়াত 5ক বাদ দি বাকি নাম্বাৰটো হৈছে 673, right? যদি এই নাম্বাৰটো 500তকৈ bigger number হয়, তেতিয়া ones, tens আৰু hundredsৰ প্লেসত 0 আহি যাব আৰু thousandsৰ প্লেসত 1000 এটা add হ'ব, okay? Yate 5000 asile, yate 6000 hol, right? So this is 6000. The actual sum is 10,058, which is close to the estimated sum of 10,000. So our actual sum asile yat 10,058, right? Aru ami sum to round off kori palu 10,000, okay? So this is how we round off these two numbers to the nearest 1000, okay? So the students follow the examples as I have shown and do the exercise 2.1 properly at your home, okay? So you have to do number 1, number 2, number 4 and number 7, okay? Students, I have already shown how to round off to the nearest 1000, right? So practice this number 3 at your home, okay? Now I am showing how to round off to the nearest 10 and 100, okay? So look at number 1, 56 plus 72. So the actual sum of these numbers 56 plus 72 equal to 128. So now we estimate the sum by rounding off these two numbers, okay? So first of all we will round off 56, okay? So jehetu ami yat nearest 10 round off korim, so ami tensor place to bad di onesor place ot thaka digit to focus korim, okay? So yat amar onesor place ot 6 ase, right? So jodi onesor place ot thaka digit to 5 otke bigger hoy, so tensor place ot eta 110 add hoi jabo, okay? So 510 plus 110 equal to 610, right? Aru onesor place ot eta 0 ahi jabo, okay? So 56 to ami round off kori dilu 60, okay? Now look at this number 72. So tensor place to bad di onesor place ot thoka digit to ami check korim, okay? So onesor place ot thoka digit to jodi 5 otko small hoy, then tensor place ot thoka digit to change nohoy, etu same e thakibo, okay? 7 7 e thakibo aru onesor place ot eta 0 ahi jabo, okay? So 72 to ami round off kori dilu 70, okay? Then add these numbers, we get 130, right? So look at here, rounded numbers 60 plus 70, jitu ami round off kori paisu 60 plus 70, okay? Estimated sum 130, jitu ami round off kori estimate korisu 130, okay? Exact sum 128, jitu amar exact or actual sum asile 128. Now look at here, number 2, 315 plus 425. Our way to nearest 100 round off koribo lagibo. So look at here. So our actual sum to hobo 315 plus 425 equal to 740. Okay. Eti ami 315 of round off koribo lagibo. Now we have to round off 315 to the nearest 100. Okay. So nearest 100 round off korile ami 100s place to bad di baki number to check korim. Okay. So yate 3 bad di baki number 2 hobo 15, right? So jodi a number 2 50 ke small hoy, then 100s place ot thoka digit to change nohoy, ekei thakibo, okay? So 3 3 e thakibo aru ones aru tens place ot 0 ahi jabo, okay? So 315 ok ami round off kori dilu 300. Etia ami 425 ok round off korim, okay? So 100s place ok bad di baki number 2 hoise 25, right? So 25 is less than 50. So again 100s place ot thoka digit to same thakibo, 4 ase 4 e thakibo aru ones aru tens place ot 0 ahi jabo, right? So add them, add kori ami pam 700. So look at here, rounded numbers 300 plus 400. So ami number duta round off kori jitu number paisu 300 aru 400, okay? Estimated sum 700. So আমি round off কৰি পোৱা sumটো হৈছে 700, which is the estimated sum, right? And exact sum 740. যিটো আমাৰ actual sum আছিলে or exact sum 740 আছিলে, so 740, okay? So students, now come to the exercise 2.2. I'm showing you one example and you have to do the rest of the problems, okay? Number 1, a school collected money for the earthquake relief fund. For this, class 4A collected rupees 34,272, class 4B collected rupees 39,815 and class 4C collected rupees 40,272. What is the total collection? So students, look at here how to do it. Money collected by class 4A equal to rupees 34,272. Money collected by class 4B equal to rupees 39,815. Money collected by class 4C equal to rupees 40,272. Therefore, the total collection, as we have to find out the total collection of money, so we add all of these numbers, okay? So total collection equal to rupees 34,272 plus rupees 39,815 plus rupees 40,272. You can show here the addition of these numbers, okay? So by adding these numbers, we get 1,14,359. So write the total here, rupees 1,14,359. Therefore, the total collection equal to rupees 1,14,359, okay? This is your answer. So dear students, by following the examples, do the exercise 2.1 and 2.2 properly at your home, okay? Thank you.